Class అయిపోయింది. Hello sir.
Yes.
Okay sir, now tell me.
I was asking, you're in final year, right?
Yes sir.
Which all languages you are comfortable in?
C, Python.
C and Python.
Yes sir.
So this is a Python course only. Like, why you have opted Python again?
I like to learn Python about sir.
So like you have not coded in Python.
No sir.
So while you are sitting in which two companies you named that in placement you sat on?
And it's for TCS.
TCS. In TCS you got selected or not?
No sir, HR round is rejected.
It's like in the interview round you got rejected, right?
Yes sir.
You have basic knowledge about programming and all.
No sir.
Like if I ask you to print prime numbers between any two given intervals, like you can print that number or not.
See, okay sir, but Python I don't write.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen in a bit. Okay,
Okay sir.
and I'll show you how to install Python in your system. So you have a
Okay.
Windows system or a Linux system?
Sir, present I don't have a laptop. My friend is gone.
So you don't have laptop now.
No sir.
Then how can you continue with the practical session? Python is purely practical, right? Anything related to computer is practical. So without laptop,
Okay
how you
sir. I will practice in my system.
say? Then from the next class, you please bring your laptop and attend the class on laptop only, right?
Okay sir.
Yes. You're comfortable with the language properly? Because I don't know this
Yes sir.
Telugu language, I don't know. I'm comfortable with English and
Okay
Hindi.
sir. Okay sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Let me share my screen and I'll show you how the instructions how to install Python.
Okay sir.
Okay. My screen is visible to you, Ashok?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, very first step, you need to go to Google and type Anaconda Navigator. Okay.
Okay sir.
If you have you have a laptop and that is Windows installed or Linux installed?
Windows sir.
Windows. Okay. So then type Anaconda Navigator download for Windows 10 or simply go to the official website. Okay.
Okay sir.
Then go to downloads. Okay.
Okay sir.
And then your system is a 64-bit system or 32-bit system. Like you know how 64.
64 sir.
Okay, then download this 64-bit installer. Okay, and then install how to install the this software. I don't need to explain, right? You know that very well. You're in final year of BTech.
Okay sir.
Okay, download this installer. Okay, and install it in your system. Correct?
Yes sir.
Okay. This is my system is a Linux-based system. Okay, so I'll be working with all the commands with the command prompt only, this terminal. Okay.
Okay sir.
If there is anything you cannot understand something, you can directly raise a question. Okay.
Okay.
The very first step I did is I have installed my Anaconda Navigator. Okay, and through this
Yes sir.
terminal I'm activating this Conda base. Okay,
Okay.
so that my system recognizes that I want to work with Anaconda Navigator. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it will take a few seconds to open. Just wait. I'll show you the basic this UI of this Anaconda Navigator. Then we'll be moving with the main software. We'll be working with Jupyter Notebook. Okay, or Spider to run the Python programs. Okay, and the tutorial point of view.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is how your Anaconda Navigator starts. Please go through this, because whenever you are installing this Anaconda Navigator, you will encounter the same. Okay. See, in this Anaconda Navigator, we are
Okay, sir.
provided with this Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Then the Spider, VS Code, this PyCharm. You might have listened all these names while you were learning Python, or like you are getting to know about Python. Like these are the software, these are the IDEs basically. You know the full form of IDE? Ashok, you know the full form of IDE?
Idea.
IDE. Do you know the full form of IDE? IDE. You know the full form of IDE?
No, sir. Interpreted. Interpret. No, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Inter.
Like in C, you have used like Turbo C++ or Dev C++. Like these are called IDE, right? And what is the
Integrate
full?
ID. In
Integrated development environment. That is,
environment.
yeah. So I'm writing it down. You please note it down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is visible, right? Or should I zoom it more?
Please, you can zoom it, sir.
Now it is okay.
Now, okay. Okay, okay.
Okay. This IDE stands for
Integrated development
Integrated
environment.
Development Environment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this IDE helps us to build software applications. Okay.
Okay.
Or we can say it is a basic. It is a basics. It is space where the developer can write code and develop softwares. Right, Ashok?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like here in this training program, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There are wait, many IDs for Python available. The most famous one is PyCharm. Okay. And then Spider. Okay. VS Code. Okay.
Where you can use the VS Code?
VS Code, just like the Jupyter Notebook. I'll be showing you, no problem. Wait. One by one, I will go through all the things.
Okay.
Okay. VS Code. VS Code, actually in VS
Okay, sir.
Code we can run multiple. We can write multiple languages. So starting from this HTML, CSS, Python. Like you need to download just the plugins you need to download, and you can start coding. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And these all this IDs are available in Anaconda Navigator itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is your module number 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have gone through the modules, right? This is your module 1. The basic introduction about your
Oh,
software, how to install and all. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now we are coming to, like, I've shown you this UI. This what are the packages available in Anaconda Navigator. Okay. Now after
Oh,
installing Anaconda Navigator, you go directly go to your terminal. Okay. And then typing Jupyter Notebook. Okay.
okay, sir.
You're writing everything, right? What I'm the line by line, you please go and write everything. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. If you have laptop, then you can please open it, and actually it will be very helpful to you. And I think you're getting what I'm trying to say. So this is a Jupyter interface. Okay. When we'll open
Oh,
Jupyter Notebook, okay. This is a Jupyter interface. This is a root directory, and you can access to any of your folders like desktop, document, downloads. Okay. Or wherever you have,
okay,
wherever you want to save the file, suppose. Okay.
okay, sir.
Then go to this new, then open Python 3 notebook. Okay.
Okay,
I think
sir.
there is no doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So this is your basic Jupyter Notebook user interface. Okay. And here you can edit your
Okay, sir.
title, like suppose, and this is class 1 Python FEIC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can edit your name from there, and then this is your these are the tabs, very useful while working. This is file. In the file, you can use you can have this new notebook option available wherever you want to open some new notebook. Then open, like you have some downloaded notebook, you can open through this option. You can rename as well, save as well. Then you can download it as HTML format or latex format. Latex format is very useful whenever you're going for any research purpose. Okay. Then there they
Okay,
want this latex format. Okay.
okay.
And then this IPYNB, that is Python notebook. Okay, we'll be downloading this file format in order to run in Jupyter Notebook. Okay,
Okay,
and then this is PDF format is there. Then Python format is .py. Okay, the other formats available. and this is known as a cell. Okay, and here in cell you execute Python programs. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. In this edit cell option, you go through this cut cells, like you need to, like suppose there is a content written over here, you need to cut, copy, paste, like you can go to this edit option. You can delete cells, you can split cell, merge cell. Okay. Merge cell of suppose there are 100 lines written, 100 lines of code written in Jupyter Notebook. You need to run some cell above it or some cell below it. Okay. Then you can use
Yes,
this
sir.
all. I think you're getting me right. If you're not getting, please tell me.
Oh, okay.
There is a find replace option also. Suppose you want to replace something in your code with some another term, you can go through this option. Okay.
Okay,
Then
sir.
in the in the insert option, you can insert a cell in above or insert a cell below. Suppose this is my selected cell. Okay. Like I need to insert a cell above. So if I click this, see there is a cell inserted above this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just right. Wait. Let me delete this cell. You'll get it. So like suppose I've written this is a first class. Okay, like I need to insert a cell above this. So what I'll do is, see, a cell is inserted above the given cell. If you want to, now you have selected this cell, if you want to insert a cell below this, you can do that also. This is your above cell and this is your below cell. Okay, I hope you are okay with this
Okay, sir.
basic
Understood.
functionality of this Jupyter Notebook till here. Okay, then
Okay, sir.
this is a cell type, and the cell operations are very important. Like if you want to run, if you've written a program here and you want to run the cells, you can use this, or else you can directly hit control plus enter.
Control plus.
Okay.
Oh,
Or if you want to suppose there are many codes written below this cell, there are many hundreds line of code written, and you don't want this above two lines to be executed, only you want this that the below cell should run. So you execute this run below cells option. So shift plus enter, or then below cells, then alt plus enter. Okay. Or else you can go for run all option to run all the cells. Okay. Suppose there is something problem in your notebook, like due to internet connectivity or your laptop got shut down unexpectedly, you can go through this restart option, restart the kernel, so your code will be running again without any error.
oh, okay, sir.
Fine.
Sir.
Okay, like let me delete all this. Like you note down this: to execute any particular selected cell, hit control plus enter. Okay.
Oh,
Or else shift plus enter. Fine.
there.
You're
Yes,
noting
sir.
down, you're noting down all this, right? Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like now we'll be moving to this document, and I'll tell you something about very important to Python. Like in Python, we'll be starting with the very first introduction with the Python, like what is Python here? Like Python is a programming language. Okay, it is very easy understandable language rather than C or any other language. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. In Python, we mainly deal with modules and libraries. Mainly that Python is flexible enough to deal with all these modules and libraries. Okay, and this Python is a
Okay,
huge
sir.
application in field of machine learning and AI. You have heard of it, right? You've heard of machine learning,
Yes, sir.
Ashok?
No, sir.
You have not ever heard about machine learning.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll not be going deep with machine learning. Like in the field of artificial intelligence, this Python plays a major role. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Uh, Please write down this definition. A module. What is a module? A module is a file containing code that can be imported using programs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll explain you this modules and what is a module, what is the difference between module and library. Before that, you write this definition. It will be more clear to you then. Library, it is a collection of modules. Hmm. Now, up to this, I think you have got a basic idea about what is a module and what is a library. Okay, like in your college, you have a library, right, Ashok? Ashok, like in your college, you have a library, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, this library has many sections divided into different departments or streams,
Yes,
right? Like there is a CSC department, there is a EC department, there's a ETC department, there is a electrical department, there's a mechanical department, there's a civil department. Accordingly, the library is being divided into several parts,
sir.
and the several parts contain different type of books related to the respected departments, right? I'm audible to you, Ashok?
Yes, sir.
Like you understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
What I said, can you please explain me again?
Then modules like
Like you have been in a library. In library, there are many sections. Okay. You take a simple
yes, sir.
example. I'm giving a live example. Like in a library, there are many sections, and many sections, like for the CSE, there are different books. For EC, there are different books. And therefore, for electrical, there are different books. For mechanical, there are different books, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And that particular sections are known as modules. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like suppose for the section of CSE, there are different books, right?
Yes, sir.
And that books are known as modules. Okay, and the whole CSE that section is known as a library. You're getting it?
Sir.
Like what I'm trying to say is, like you visited a library and you went to suppose the CSE section, and you consider that CSE section as a library, and the books embedded in it or the books kept in it, it is uh, they are called modules. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So should I move with the next topic?
Okay.
Now there is a very interesting command like pip command. It helps us to install Python packages.
Sir, pips.
Pip, yes, PIP. This P is small. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
It helps us to install Python packages. Rather, it can be said that it is a this is a Python package manager. Okay, you're getting it? It helps us to install modules basically. Fine, Ashok. Like till here, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir. It is clear.
Okay, clear, right? Then will be there are various like if you go through modules, there are basically two types of modules. The first is built-in modules. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that are pre-installed in the system. Fine. And there are some external modules that are need to be installed using the pip command. Fine, Ashok.
Okay, sir.
Like for the built-in command, built-in function modules, examples of built-in. Wait, let me give the examples here itself. Like examples, this OS module. Okay, OS module is a very common built-in module present in Python. Then there is a math function, math module also. The basic math function are there, etc. And then for the external modules, like TensorFlow. You've heard of TensorFlow also?
No, sir.
TensorFlow, Flask, etc. Okay. Fine, Ashok.
Okay, sir.
Like it would be better like if you could have the laptop because it could be one-to-one session. It could be very nice.
Okay.
Now also you write the applications of Python. Mainly used in this AI field. Consisting of machine learning, it is visible, right, Ashok? Deep learning, NLP.
Sir, what is the meaning of deep learning?
This is a field of AI basically. Like these all are the subparts of AI. This machine learning, deep learning, NLP are the subparts of AI. Like you have heard of artificial intelligence, right?
Yeah.
Deep learning is like it comes to neural networking and all. There we use Python mostly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like you're in
Okay.
final year, so like you have not built any project
No, sir. Currently, I am doing
on which technology?
VLS.
VLSI. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Now we'll move into the next module. Okay. That values and variables. Fine.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Wait. Module 2. Like this is visible to you, Ashok? Whatever I'm
Yes, sir.
typing in.
It is
Okay.
visible.
Okay. There are mainly five data types present in Python. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are told that you learned about C. What are the data types present in C?
To double, okay, double long plot, unsigned.
Here actually, there are mainly five here. Like there are no.
Integer character thing
Yeah,
points, sir.
continue. Like string, float, double, character, signed, unsigned. That type of data type present in C, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. But here in Python, there is no concept of unsigned, signed, or something else. Okay, there is directly we have integer. There is no concept of this this signed, unsigned character here. There directly integer we have here, then floating point numbers, then strings, then boolean, then none. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Ashok? If I am going
No,
very fast or it is okay, the pace is okay.
no, sir. It is.
You're noting down all these, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me what is this data type mean of Boolean?
Expressions, sir.
Expressions like?
And are
Mm-hmm. Boolean? Tell me. You have read C, right? What is Boolean? Boolean data type. Tell me. You able to hear me, Ashok?
sir.
Tell me the meaning of this Boolean data type. You've gone through
Mm,
integer,
present
floating point.
the of the logic and hello, sir.
Yes, Boolean means basically when we use this true or false.
That has one of two possible values, sir.
Yes.
True.
Then none. You note down this.
Complete.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
These are mainly the 5 data types present in Python. Okay. Can you tell me, Ashok, what is a variable?
Sir.
What is a variable?
Like characters, numbers.
Character numbers. Like, can you please elaborate it more? Like, what is a variable?
Uh, uppercase letters. Digits.
Go on, continue.
Means
Like you have read C, in C you have like this. Uh-huh.
like uppercase and lowercase letters.
They are known as variables.
Yes.
I've written in for giving examples. I've written A equal to 71 here, B equal to 84.0, then here D equal to suppose 78.4. What are these A, B, C, D? What are these all?
C is a variable, sir.
Variable, right? Okay, that means what? Uh, if I write a simple definition of variable, what is it? A variable is a name given to a memory location. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in a program. Suppose when we are initializing as a equal to 71, that means what? A particular memory location is being identified as a equal to 71, and when the user calls a equal to 71, it takes the value from that particular memory location and present it to the user. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then there is a keyword. These are very basic. These are very important terms in Python. You should know it. It should be in your tips. Okay. So I'm writing all the definitions one by one. It is taking time, but it would be very helpful to understand in the near future. These are the reserved words in Python. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like this keyword, suppose the def is a type of keyword. Okay, then from, then as, etc. These are type of keywords present in Python. Then identifiers. Okay, identifiers can be class, can be functions. Suppose you have declared a function. Okay, that is named as an identifier here, or a variable name, suppose. Okay, this can be used as identifier in Python. Suppose you have declared a function name as like def prime number. Okay, def is a keyword there. Okay, let me write down here. Like def uh, prime number, suppose. Tick. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here def is a keyword. Okay, and prime number here is
The name.
there's an identifier here. Fine,
Yes, sir. Understood.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you know the rules for naming a variable? Like variable name should contain alphabet, digit, or underscore. Variable cannot start with any digit. These are the very basics rules for naming a variable. You know that, I suppose. Ashok?
Sir,
Okay. Uh, then coming to basic operators in Python. Okay. There are arithmetic operators. Fine. That's like plus, minus, and then division.
multiplication.
Yeah. Certain etc. There.
Okay, sir.
Then there is assignment operator. Can you name some assignment operators also? Okay. Then
Shifting
there
the
is
left, right side operators.
like
Le-
assignment operators. When you write like a plus b equal to c. Okay. Then
Sir,
you're equating both the sides. Like that means that is an assignment operator. You're using an assignment operator. Like you want that this particular variable should be equal to that particular variable, that particular value. Okay.
okay, sir.
Then comparison operator. It can be equal to, suppose. Okay. Then greater than equal to,
Then are
or
equal.
greater less than equal to. Okay. Etc. Then logical operators.
Are
That is and, are,
are XR.
XR, not any, and this it can be anything. Okay. Basically these three. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Till here it is clear. This module 1 and module 2, like we have gone through the, I think, every topic that is mentioned in your curriculum.
Okay.
Okay. For user input, like how to take a user input in Python. Okay. For
Okay,
this,
sir.
use the input function. Input, then the type of variable you want to enter in, then whatever it is. Sorry. Fine.
In the-
I hope you're clear up to this.
Okay. What is Python
Mm-hmm.
in Java?
Can I please come again because your voice is cracking?
Difference between the Java and
Difference between Java and Python.
yes, sir.
For Java, Java and Python both can be considered as object-oriented programming, but mainly Java is considered as most preferable as used in object-oriented programming. That is OOPS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you take Python in comparison to speed and calculating the task, Python is much more reliable and fast than Java. So many of them uses this Python over Java. Okay.
Okay.
Then there is one more thing. Suppose for comparative programming and all, you need to solve as many as problems in less amount of time. So you need to write less number of lines for coding. So Python helps. Python and C++ helps there a lot because Java you need to write a lot of things. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like you don't have a laptop now, right? You don't have that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like how to execute? Like we'll be executing our first program. Suppose. Okay. Like we'll be printing hello world in C. While printing in C, like you use this printf and scanf function, right? Printf function. Okay. But here we'll be using directly this print hello world. Then shift plus enter. Now you see how this basic cell function operates in Jupyter Notebook. Ashok, you're getting?
Waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, right? Okay. Can you tell me, while using C, if you have given a project, just write a program to add two numbers, how could have you written that? Mm-hmm.
Repeat the question.
Suppose you have given a program, this question, like add two numbers using the language C, then how could have you approached it?
Declare C equals to A plus B. Then read the values and printf.
That's it.
add two numbers means
Hmm. Like
we
first
are
you'll
using
initializing like A and B, like you'll taking first two, you'll take user input from first
we need
two.
to wait that
Yeah,
can
continue.
and that variable can read you can
Hmm.
print the
I've told you about this as this arithmetical operator. Like for this, I'll be showing you a this program example. Like suppose you want to add two numbers. So, okay, like A equal to 45. Okay, then B equal to 15. Suppose. Okay,
yes,
fine.
yes.
Then
Okay,
there's a like print the addition of two numbers are A plus B. Fine.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it. 45 plus 15, it is 60. Fine. Or else you could have done one thing. Suppose like for A, you have taken the user input. Okay. Then the process of taking user input is int, like I've shown you in the previous slide. What that is int. The type of the data type you have initialized here, int. It can be float, it can be string, but for addition of two numbers, we need only integer kind of data type or float kind of data type, right?
Yes,
So here we have considered int. Okay. Then input, for taking the input of the user, what it could be, like suppose enter your first number. Okay.
okay, sir.
Then B, it will be suppose I'll take as float. Okay, float. Then input, enter your second number. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Then the last line remains the same as print the addition of two numbers are A plus B. Fine. Like suppose
Okay,
enter
sir.
your first number. Suppose like I printed your 55. Enter your second number, then 15. Then the addition of 55 and 15 are 70. You have noticed one thing here, Ashok, like here when we are printing A plus B, okay, it is coming as 60, okay,
Yes, sir.
and here it is coming as 70.0. Why? Can you please explain me
Float
this? Because we have,
using float, sir.
yeah, because we have here taken is the data type as float. If like,
Float means it's a decimal value. It can.
yeah, correct. Like suppose if we have the same thing, suppose we had given here integer value, okay, then run this, then suppose it is here 78 plus 77 equal to 155, then there is no floating value present here. Fine.
Okay, sir.
This is a example we are using here, this arithmetic operator. Like for division here also you can use that, like in place of this plus operator you could have used slash one slash, and we could have done the division operator. Similarly, the rest operators are used. Okay.
Sir, understood.
Like any confusion, anything?
No, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. Like while I was explaining you the module for this What is the difference between module and library? Then I gave you an example of built-in modules like OS, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how to import those like
Sir,
libraries or
please
modules? Huh? Yes,
one program, sir. How to convert lowercase letters to upper case?
that will be coming again. Okay, this is your first class. Let me go through this basic Python and how to convert to lower to upper. That will be coming in the later classes. Okay, this is your very first class. So I'll be explaining you this basic syntax of program, how the things goes on. Okay, then I'll be going through each and every function, whatever you say. Okay, and these are
Okay,
included in the
sir.
course curriculum also. I cannot directly jump to one thing to another. I need to go step by step, right? Fine. Like suppose you are importing one inbuilt module, import OS. Like you need to suppose in your computer you have directories, right? For
Yes,
that,
sir.
we can use this print function to print the directories in your computer. Suppose OS dot list directories. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then hit shift plus enter. See, it will give you all the directories present in your system. Fine. I'm clear to you.
Okay, sir.
Till here, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Mm-hmm. Till here,
Clear,
any
sir.
problem? No problem.
No, sir.
Okay. Uh,
Understood.
like today we'll be stopping here. Okay. Since many of us not joined today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If there is
Okay,
any
sir.
doubt till here, then you can please tell me. Then I'll clear it out, or else I'll stop the session here today because only one have joined. I cannot go through more details because they will miss it. Fine.
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can contact me personally through WhatsApp or in the group itself. You can drop that out there. Okay. Okay. Ashok.
Sir, your number, please.
It is given in the group itself. You can see
Sir,
there.
your name?
Shobhan Dev. Okay. Still, I'll give my number here. Just note down my number. Fine.
316. Late 316.
318
318. Okay, sir.
8847 8943 318.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from?
Okay. I am from West Bengal. Fine.
Fine, sir.
Okay. You can leave the session. Thank you.
Sir.